Hi, my name is Josefin. Today we're going to do yoga for the spine. The spine is very important for our overall health and movement. Start by sitting down cross-legged in a comfortable position. Take a few deep breaths. Just land where you are and connect with your body. On your next inhale, start rotating forward, and when you exhale, rotate back. Like if you have a rod that goes straight up through your body. You can do this circles, small or large, whatever feels good for you. Just make sure that your sit bones are firmly into your mat. Stay connected with your breath and feel if anything feels extra sticky or weird in a spot, and give that spot a little bit more attention. And when you feel ready, start moving in the opposite direction for your Sufi Grinds. Feel the difference in your body, if there is any, and stay connected with your breathing. And when you feel ready, slowly come to a stop and take a few deep breaths with a straight spine. And on your next inhale, move your chest forward and up, and exhale round your spine back. Inhale forward and up, exhale back. Continue with your own breath, feeling through your spine and your body. Move as much or as little as it feels good for you. Just let your heart lead the motion. And slowly come to a stop and breathe in deeply with a straight spine. On next inhale, with your right arm come up, and exhale down towards your left. Feeling a lift in your body at the same time as you're feeling a stretch on your right side. And on your next inhale, come up, exhale, and inhale your left arm up, and exhale to your left. If you can swallow in this position, then you're holding your head in the right spot. Breathe deeply into your side body. On your next inhale, come up. Take a few deep breaths with a straight spine. And on your next inhale, take your right hand on your left knee. Inhale, and with shoulders, chest, belly, twist to the side. Every inhale, you get a little bit taller, and on every exhale, you might twist a little bit more. Your hands are just there for support, not to bring you further into the twist. And belly, chest, shoulders, slowly come back to a neutral spine. Straighten your spine with a few deep breaths. On your next inhale, take your left hand on your right knee. Shoulders, chest, belly, twist to the side. Breathe deeply, even when your body is twisted. And slowly come back the opposite way you got in. Let your palms meet in front of your chest. Thank yourself for spending this time taking care of your body. Thank you for spending this time with me. Namaste. I hope you have a great day.